Hello, welcome back in this tutorial series of Fusion 360 again. Today we will create such kind of component with the help of various commands available in Fusion 360. To create such kind of component, first we have to go for the drawing of this particular assembly. So this is the drawing of that particular assembly. So we have two components. One is the rod of 8 diameter and 45 in length, and another one is this hook kind of component. So first we will create this hook component. For that, here I go to new design. From here I will select this create sketch. Now I will select this plane. So as per the drawing, we have to create two circle of 20 diameter and one more circle of 35 diameter. So first we draw these two circles. So just go to this new design. From here we'll choose this circle command, create a circle of 30 5 diameter and one more circle of 20 diameter like this, and press enter. After this, what we have to do, from here we can see this height from here to here is it is 25 and we- so to create these two, what we have to do, so we will choose this rectangle command and create a rectangle of 35 by 25. Press enter. Similarly, we will create one more rectangle of 20 by 25 in this way and press enter. After that, select this trim command and trim all the unwanted edges like this. And finish the sketch. Now go to home position, select this extrude command, select this profile and extrude it up to, as per the drawing we can see it is 20 So just extrude it up to 20 in this way. Press enter. Now the next what we have to do, as per the drawing we have to create this section. To create such kind of section, what we have to do, first we have to create a tangent plane to this particular U shape, and then we will create two circle of this is of 14 diameter and 8 diameter, and then we will extrude it up to 30 So just go to here, and from here this construct we will select this tangent plane and choose this one and press OK. After that, what we have to do, just select this plane, come on this create sketch, select this one, create a circle of 14 press enter. Similarly, one more circle of, this is of 8 and press enter. After this, finish the sketch, go to this extrude command, select this one. From here we'll select this offset and choose here offset of 30 and provide here the distance of minus 35, we can see, and just choose this join and press OK. So as you can see, we have created such kind of U-shape object. Now we will provide these fillets of radius 10, we can see here, and this is of radius 1 here, and here radius 1. So for that, what we have to do the next, just come here and select this fillet command, provide a fillet here, 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 and here of 10 mm and press enter. Similarly, just select this one, fillet, and one more fillet here of 1 mm, press OK. So we have created the almost same object. Now next what we have to do, select this one, create a circle of 8 mm here and press enter. Now finish the sketch, select this extrude command, select this one and choose minus 35 and press enter. So we have created such kind of holes. Now the next we will provide the appearance. So from here we can select this aluminum nice, and you can see we have created the same hook shape component with the help of various commands of available in Fusion 360. After creating such kind of hook shape, the next we will create the pin. So here I select this create sketch and select this plane and select this circle command and create 8 mm circle. Now finish this sketch, extrude it up to 45 and press enter. Now we'll provide the appearance to this particular one, and from here we select this is of red and close. Now we will align this pin to this particular hole. For that we will select this align command, select this one and press OK. Now we will move this pin so that press OK. So as you can see, we have created the same assembly what we have seen in this practice exercise number 38. So with the help of various commands, we are able to create such kind of assemblies or components. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Kindly subscribe my channel.